As a professional construction manager, we work directly with the architects, the engineers, and the bankers to ensure that the client's project is as successful as possible, that we provide the most project for the least amount of money. At Titus Construction, we understand that all of our clients are different. Some clients have a strict budget and they only have X number of dollars to spend. Other clients have an accelerated timeline and they've got to be in the space as quickly as possible, and we have to make that happen. Some clients want something unique and different, and that's where Titus Construction comes into play. We bring innovative new ideas to those clients. When people are looking for sustainable projects, sustainable construction, we're the guys to call.